Today I'm going to unbox Mindset book which I ordered from Amazon, and I opened it already. And here is the book. I think it was looking so beautiful and very good. You can see the cover is so good. I feel it so smooth and awesome. And here's the book, and yeah, the book seems so good. As you can see, it was about, let me tell you, let me show you the index otherwise. It was about 289 pages, actually 264, and 265 onwards there was only notes. And you can see the book was already good, and I think it was so good. And yeah, that's it. Amazon delivered it so fast and very good. That's all.